And after a 6-year absence of the Wheels and Wheels Primary Schools cricket competition due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Manchester Cricket Association, MCA, resumed the tournament recently with 20 teams. Courtney Morgan has that story.
It has long been established that without a properly structured grassroots program, there will be little or no development of players at the secondary school and the club levels. In fact, the absence of a solid foundation at the primary school level is being blamed in part for the waning interest in the sport even nationally. And that is what has prompted the association to resume the competition in the parish, which had been running for over 2 decades before it was suspended in 2019, according to high school cricket coach and the Manchester Cricket Association executive member Bertram Barry Barnes.
We are trying to ensure that cricket is back at where it is, and with this venture I think we are on the right path, and there's a lot of work have been put into this by the board, Manchester Cricket Board, headed by Byron Watts, the president. I think he has given us a mandate that it must be done, and this is what we are trying to do.
The importance of the players' development at the primary level is not lost on Barnes.
Without primary school, the parishes, the clubs, the country, the cricket will not improve. So this is where it starts, and we are willing to give it the best shot we can.
Dean Layla, coach of Nazareth Primary and Infant School, who won the competition multiple times, has welcomed its return.
We have a cricket history, because if you look even at the better Headley Cup teams now, the states the Manchester has, Wormwood, we have past students representing those schools. So we have a cricketing culture at Nazareth Primary School. So we are really happy to have it, because over the years, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, we would have had talent coming through, not utilizing the talents because we didn't have any such competitions. So we are very happy to have this cricket competition back in the parish.
Like Barnes, Layla is aware of the impact of the sport at the grassroots level on the next stage of development.
We have seen at all levels, the parish level, the high school level, the parish level, right up to the national level, even the West Indies team not doing as well as we would want it to do. So when we start here at the grassroots level, this is where it all starts. So we're hoping that this can continue, other parishes will come on board, and we can start building back cricket in the country and the Caribbean as a whole.
4 matches will be played on each day in a 10-over-a-side format. In the first round of matches, Nazareth Primary made 28 without loss in reply to Mile Gully's 27 all-out for a 10-wicket win. While in a closer encounter, Medina scored 79, then bowled out Harry Watch Primary for 73 to win by 6 runs. Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.